So you're filming in a vehicle, maybe in an RV or an ATV, something where you're going to be moving in a vehicle with some jostling. Maybe you're on a boat. So you may not have a windshield or a flat surface available to mount your phone with a phone mount that uses a suction cup to go to the window. And that's what this provides. It's a kind of a triangle shape, and then on each of the triangle ends you've got a weighted pouch with either something heavy in there, some kind of metal or lead or something. And then in the center you've got this plastic piece, and you can see it's smooth even though it's been used quite a bit. On the bottom you've got sort of a tacky rubber, so it's got all the reason in the world to stay put due to the material on the bottom. It's kind of like the bottom of a mouse pad. Then also the weight of the thing, and that these three pieces are going to come in and grab any kind of thing they can get a hold of because they're so heavy. And that leaves you this base with a horizontal surface that you can mount a phone or other, maybe a Sirius radio or a GPS or something. So where you wouldn't normally have a place to hook up, set this down and now you have a place to suction cup. Hope this helps.